never sleeps. Get your popcorn ready.
Yeah, it's Rich TV Live. Smart Z on the mic, yeah. We're gonna do it like this, y'all. Get up. You got money, bank rolls, join the gang and rock elbows. We run the game and trade smart. That weed stock is a great start. Invest your money right in that good oil, in that cannabis. That's that double trouble. And AI is on that watch list. In that bear market, I am an opportunist. One time for your mind tonight. I say the stock goes up, now get your money right. I'm so cold with it. I know the code really. You got some good money, put some gold in it. Yeah, Rich TV, homie, you know the place. Don't change the channel, you gon' lose your face. I got that good on that payment stocks. I'm on YouTube making your money back. Stocks, gold, oil, weed. I'm here to say don't let your money sleep. Rich TV, life, stocks. I got the bigs to make your money work. Stocks, gold, oil, weed. I'm here to say don't let your money sleep. Rich TV, life, stocks. I got the bigs to make your money work. Stack it up now, make your money work. And when you're slipping,
your money's giving birth.
In the bull market, I'm a smart dog. I bring it up to you. Check your life stocks. I'm that good guy. I set the record straight.
My trading academy is here to elevate.
My cannabis stock is how the money smell. This is Rich TV Life, following my trail. I'll pick the right trade gold. All your
weed, yes.
I turn it into a twin.
Bench press. How you guys
Your
doing?
money's giving birth.
How you guys all doing? Happy 2021, and I got a banger of a video for you guys. This is my gift to you guys for being here on a Sunday. Some of you already having a Monday, depending on where the world you are, but this is my top 10 2021 stocks. This is going to be an interactive video. If you guys have some questions, please drop them in the chat. If you guys have some picks, please drop them in the chat. If you like the video, please smash the like button, comment down below, and share the video everywhere. So in number 10, Tattooed Chef. Tattooed Chef is my number 10 pick for 2021. I brought this pick first before anybody else on YouTube, and then every other YouTuber jumped on the bandwagon and said that they were their number one plant-based food stock too, and they exploded. Our community got in around $15 where I did my video. It went as high as 27. It has now been retracing back down to around where it is right now, $22, $23. But you can see here, bar chart has it as an 88% buy. And I think it's an absolute rocket ship. It's my number 10 pick for 2021. And you guys know I like tight shares, right? Tight share structures, tight floats, 65 million shares issued outstanding. As of November 9th, this may be updated. I don't know if these are the exact numbers, but this is what I see in OTC markets. So based on this is a very tight float. And one of the reasons why I think Tattooed Chef has a chance to be an absolute beast in 2021. And I'm going to make a prediction that we're going to see the stock go to about, I'm going to say pretty comfortably it's going to go to $35, but I think there's a very good chance we could see them go to 50, maybe even higher in 2021. So considering where they're sitting at right now, 23.30 after market, they did go up. That would be, if it went to $50, it would be a 100% return for the investors. If it went to $35, it'd be about a 50% return for investors. Either way, I believe this is the type of stock that's going to give you a return. Now, I'm not suggesting you go and buy it where it's trading right now. You can see it's in the high of the zone. This is the low zone. This is the high zone. This is the high. This is the low. You can see we are trading closer to the high zone than we are the low zone. So this is a sell zone, in my opinion. This is not a buy zone. I wouldn't be buying at these levels. But if it does do a dip, I'd be looking to get in on the dip. But I really like this company, and I wouldn't be surprised to see them go back up. But the thing that concerns me is they made this big move up here, right? You got to look at trends, right? It made this big move up here, and then they made a move down, right? A move down. And now we identified the bottom perfectly, made a video. Everyone on YouTube, followed in our footsteps, which was great, right? And then it went back up, and now it's got the attention of the shorters, the market makers, everybody that doesn't think that they're worth, 25, 30 bucks. And that's why it's coming back down, and it's getting some selling pressure and it's getting some resistance. I think this is probably just a retrace, and we're going to see it go right back up. That's probably what is going to happen here. There isn't a lot of shares out there. There's a lot of interest in the stock. There's a lot of people talking about the stock. Everybody's jumping on the bandwagon. So I wouldn't be too surprised to see it retrace a little bit and go back up, maybe go down to maybe 19, maybe 18, I would say, before it goes up, or maybe it goes up from here. So as a trader, you're always trying to kind of predict the future. Where's it going to go? Is it going to go a little bit lower? Is it going to continue to go up? Is this just a retrace? And do we continue to see it move forward? So Tattooed Chef is my number 10 pick for 2021. And I think it's an absolute beauty. My number one plant-based food stock in the world right now is Tattooed Chef. In number 9, I love electric vehicles. And I think it's time now for everyone to jump on the bus. I do believe it's time for everyone to get on the bus. This is bus. You can see that it's also been trending up. I like stocks that are trending up. I like stocks that are powerful. I like stocks that are growing. I like companies that are going in the right direction. Bus is growing, tight share structure, tight flow, and they just got a US symbol. Jump on the bus, folks. Our entire community is loading up on bus. So they're my number 9 pick for 2021. And I think they're an absolute beauty. Look at it. It's gone from 17 cents to 163, currently at 127. The trend is your friend, and the trend for bus is up. One of the top electric vehicle plays in 2021. This is my number 1 small cap electric vehicle play. I think it's going to do unbelievable. They are selling electric vehicle buses in America and Canada, and I believe they will be doing it internationally. I think this has a chance to be an absolute juggernaut. Okay, bus in Canada, BUSXF in America. Get on the bus before everybody else starts talking about bus being their pick. It could be your pick, okay? Before everyone else on YouTube and all over social media starts calling it their pick. This is my pick. I currently am a shareholder. I own over 15,000 shares of bus, and I would love to see it ride all the way to 10 bucks. That would be absolutely glorious to watch the bus, Grand West Transportation, run all the way to 10 bucks. I'm not predicting it's going to 10 bucks, but I kind of think it will in the future. I don't know exactly how high it goes in 2021, but I'm kind of predicting between $3 and $5. So if it goes between $3 and $5 in 2021, and we're currently at $1.57, that'll be another huge winner for our community. So they are my number 9 pick for 2021. And you can go and do all the research and analysis right at richtvlive.com, where we go and give you all the analysis, all the news on all the picks. And if we go and we pop up bus, there it is, Grand West Transportation Group, bus. You can see that right on Rich TV Live, and you can see all the information here. We've worked really hard to bring you guys all the tools you need in one place at Rich TV Live. Quote, news, analyst coverage, closing prices, trades, chart, company, corporate events, share info, key ratios, filings, and earnings all in one place. You can see the detailed quote all at richtvlive.com. Okay, so I love this company. Now, this is early. Remember, I told you guys, when you get in early, you got to learn how to exercise patience, because we're early. Nobody else knows about bus. No one else is talking about bus. Nobody's even jumped on the bus, which means you have an opportunity to get on the bus, okay? And get on early before this rocket takes off. And it's already taken off. Look at the chart. I mean, I'm not making this up. The chart proves that this has already been a rocket. So it's already been a huge success story. And this is a story that's just getting started. Let me show you guys why. Now, important to me is share structure. And if you guys have been watching Rich TV Live, you know that having a tight share structure is extremely important for us. And we do not like any companies anymore. We've learned that having companies that have loose, diluted share structures that are irresponsible with what they do with their shares are usually going to be failures. And companies that have very tight share structures, and to me, a tight share structure is 100 million or less. This is an 85 million outstanding share structure with 63 million in the float. Tight share structure, 100 million or less. 50 million or less is even better, but 85 million with 63 million in the float is really nice. I like it. BUS just getting started, and they've got some big orders. They put out a tweet not too long ago kind of hinting that they've got a 90 bus order coming. They haven't actually put that out in a press release yet. That might be coming soon. So keep it on your watch list. Keep it on your radar. BUS is my number 9 pick for 2021, an electric vehicle play. BUS in Canada, BUSXF in America. So love to know what you think about Grand West Transportation. Is it time to get on the bus? I want to know what you think about BUS. And in number 8, this company is an absolute rocket. And if you've been watching Bitcoin, my goodness, Bitcoin is just taking names and just ripping it apart. This is one of my number 1 cryptocurrency plays in all of 2021. Our community has already rid the rocket and is making a killing on CurrencyWorks. Same symbol in Canada and the United States, CWRK. Love this rocket ship. Everything about it. It's gone from 3 cents in November to a high of 70 cents. And I believe it goes even higher tomorrow with Bitcoin exploding all weekend long. I believe Bitcoin blockchain stocks are in play in 2021 like they were in 2020. And this is one of my top small cap blockchain stocks, CWRK in Canada. And the thing I like about them, it's CWRK also in America. You can see the American stock at 43 cents, and they've been just as successful from 3 cents to 52 cents. So I absolutely love CWRK. And shout out to NIA, man, National Inflation Association. These guys, this is their pick, right? Like this is their pick. And let's take a look real quickly at BUS. Do they have it there? Grand West Transportation. Let's see if they have an opinion. So look at this. Even bar chart believes that it's time to jump on the bus. 88% buy on bar chart for BUS. Look at that. So I'm not the only one thinking this. Bar chart agrees with Rich that it's time to jump on the bus. 88% buy for bar chart for BUS. 609% up since March is BUS. 157% in the last 3 months and 15% in the last month. It's just been retracing and I love it. And let's take a look at CWRK. 72% buy on bar chart. It's been an absolute rocket. And you can see here up 1,000%. That's right. It's up 1,000% since December 1st. That's not a mistake. They're up 1,000% since December 1st, 1,300% since November 6th, 2020, and 1,452% since May 5th, 2020. Absolute rocket ship. Now, let me show you guys why I love this company. It's very important to do your due diligence, do your research, and you can do it all at richtvlive.com, where you can go and find CurrencyWorks. This is the OTCQB, fully reporting company, and you can go and look and do your due diligence, do your research. But you can see here with this trend, the trend is up on the 5-day, trend is up on the month, Trend is up on the 6 month. So, I mean, the trend is up with the price of Bitcoin exploding. Currency Works is also exploding. Okay. So, big fan of Currency Works. And if we go to share structure, for the reporting bulletin board company, which means they are up to date on their filings. Very important that they're up to date on their filings. And you can see here a baby market cap still of 15 million. I believe this goes way higher in 2021, and 34 million outstanding shares. Very super tight float, very super tight share structure. I told you guys under 50 million. I love this is at 34 million, and look at how many is in the float. Only 15 million shares in the float to trade, which is ultra tight, and why I believe this has a chance to be an absolute rocket in 2021. Now let's take a look at my number 7 pick. And I brought you guys this first. They've been a huge winner in 2020. I was live on Thursday when they broke huge news, and I'm a major fan of TAT Lifestyle and Wellness. Guys, if you like this video, please smash the like button, comment down below, and share the video everywhere. Let everybody know that we are live and interactive talking about the top 10 stocks for 2021. So far, we've got Tattoo Chef in 10, Bus in 9, Currency Works, CWRK in 8, and TAT in number 7, TAT Lifestyle and Wellness. They've been a huge winner for our community so far in 2021, and we will see this with the evidence here. 36% in the last month and 44% in the last 3 months. TAT has grown. And let me show you guys the chart, because the chart will show it even better here. TAT Lifestyle and Wellness symbol in Canada is TAAT, and the symbol in America is TOBAF. So you can see I've been marking all the highs and the lows and marking the buy zones and the sell zones. But you can clearly see here that TAT went public at 41 cents, I believe in June 2020. And we launched TAT. We were the first ones ever to talk about TAT before anyone even knew what TAT was. We were the first ones ever to interview TAT, talk about TAT, and put TAT all over the world, really. And they've been a huge rocket ship from 41 cents pre-IPO when all of our club members knew about it first. Today at $3.10 in Canada, a rocket, okay? So up almost 1,000%. At $4, they'll be up 1,000%. And I believe that this is a story that is just getting started. This is a company that's just getting sales. They are unique. They're in a league of their own. There's nobody doing what they're doing that I know of. So I believe they're in a league of their own. The trend is your friend. This is clearly a trend that's going up. Yeah, there's been dips along the way, but you can see this is a stock that's going up. They just started selling cigarettes in Ohio, and they just had their first payment, which is $150,000, which I believe is going to grow exponentially as they start growing into new locations, new states, and eventually new countries. They just announced that they have got patents in and trademarks that they are registering in 54 countries. This is a country that is preparing for global expansion. This is a company that has cigarettes that have no nicotine, no tobacco. I believe they're a game changer. I love TAT Lifestyle and Wellness. And I'm going to show you one of the reasons why I think they are so exciting is, once again, I've told you guys, I like a tight share structure. This is a company that is doing it the right way. 92 million shares issued outstanding and 48 million in the float. So for a company that is really growing exponentially, has a chance to potentially be a $1 billion market cap company. They're now at 224 million, and the market cap has continuously grown since this company started. And I believe that it continues to grow and probably grows to a $1 billion market cap in 2021, which means we could have a chance for a multiple yet again in 2021 for this share price. So a big fan of TAT Lifestyle and Wellness. You can find all that information right on Rich TV Live. richtvlive.com, where you get all the information first, and you can see TAT had a monster day on Thursday on the news that they now have patents and trademarks that they are registering in 54 countries worldwide. So they're not just going to be in Ohio, and the stock exploded 31%. I think this continues. I think they have a monster day on Monday. Tons of momentum, tons of people talking about TAT Lifestyle and Wellness. They are my number 7 pick for 2021. Now in number 6, it's another pick that I brought you guys first. And I love to bring you guys picks first. And I love to bring you guys picks before they explode. I brought you this pick first and it exploded. I brought it to you first at 65 cents. I was the first one ever to talk about SHG. Nobody even knew what SHG was until I started talking about it. And they have been a huge success. They've been on our show. We've interviewed the CEO, and I'm a huge fan of Skylight Health. I'm a big fan of telemedicine. I'm a big fan of telehealth. You can see when I brought it to you first, it was at 65 cents. Currently at $1.17, up close to 100% already since I started bringing this to our community. SHG in Canada, and let me show you guys the symbol in America, SHGFF. Skylight Health Group is the symbol in America, SHGFF. And anyway we slice it, it's been a huge winner. And we love to bring you winners, and we love to bring you winners first. And this is a company that I believe continues to win in 2021. And I love their story. I love their business model. I think this is a growing company. And you can see they've been as low as 31 cents, as high as $1.06 in America. And I believe that they go higher in 2021. And I think with this company, the sky's the limit, really. They have, in my opinion, they have the potential to be a $10 stock in the future. That's how much potential I believe this company has. I always like to mark the low lows and the high highs and see the zone that we're trading in. And that tells you the story, right? So right now, boom, we're trading very close to the high. So love this company. You may not get a dip opportunity for them because they are growing. They're growing in revenue. They're growing in every way. So I think that they have tons of potential, and I love this company. And let's take a look at SHG. Skylight Health Group. Let's see if bar chart has an opinion on them or not. So new that they don't even have an opinion yet. Okay. You can see they're up 80% since December 1st. Skylight Health Group Inc. is engaged in the business of providing medical care services. The company offers fixed membership health plans for a variety of diseases that include cold, rashes, pneumonia, body aches, earache, kidney stones, allergies, insomnia, high blood pressure, snoring, sore throat, and the list goes on and on and on. So, but these guys, the thing I love about them is they have a revenue generating monthly subscription model that gives Americans the opportunity to get health insurance in America and be able to get on the phone with a health practitioner and get on the phone and get telehealth, telemedicine services. And they're looking to grow it all over America. The upside for this company is absolutely unbelievable. It's shocking. And I think that this is a company that's still very early, and I absolutely love them. Let's take a look at their security details. Obviously very important to us. Tight share structures. We've talked about this over and over and over again, and we will continue to. Vital with our business model that you find companies with a tight share structure and a small market cap that has room to grow. This is a company that has 160 million shares issued outstanding, but only 61 million in the float that are available to trade. That's a very tight float, and only 146 million market cap. I believe this has a chance to be a 1 billion market cap company, which means this would be a multiple, a 5 to 7 times multiple from these prices in my opinion. I'm not saying it's going to happen overnight, but I believe it's going to happen. Now, remember, guys and ladies and gentlemen, that Rich TV Live is strictly for education and entertainment purposes. Always do your due diligence. Always do your research before you invest in anything that we talk about here on Rich TV Live. Always invest in the best companies. The best is blessed, and you deserve the best. And consult your financial advisor and ask them, what do you think about these picks? Chances are your financial advisor is going to look at you and say, hey, where'd you get these picks? These are some really good picks. And chances are your financial advisor is going to want to join the club. Now, if you haven't joined the club, you too can join the club. I'll put it right here in the description of the video, www.richpicksdaily.com. Join the club. We got members joining from all over the world. We are literally trading 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And right now, members are winning on Bitcoin. The market's going to open later today for Forex, gold, US 30. Members will be trading later this afternoon. And the stock market will be opening up tomorrow, where we will be calling trades with our club members all day long. The hottest picks, dip buys, momentum trades. We call it all day long. And we got members that are bringing us winners, and they're bringing us first every single day. So if you want to get in and you want to win, you too can join the club. So far, we've got Tattooed Chef in number 10, Bus in number 9, CWRK in number 8, Tat in number 7, Skylight Health Group in number 6, and in number 5, another one that I brought you guys first in 2020, NEXE, another plant-based foods materials stock, which has been a huge winner for our community yet again. I brought this to you guys 2 weeks ago, pre-IPO. They went from 40 cents to a high of 220, currently at 206, and I believe they go higher. We're going to be working very, very closely with this company in 2021. We'll be speaking with the CEO. Stay tuned to the interview. That should be launching this week. And we will be going to their facilities to do tours, videos. I believe this is very 2.0. I brought Very first before all the other YouTubers and everybody else jumped on the bandwagon. And Very's been a huge success story for our community. I believe this is Very 2.0. And for everyone that's in America, the symbol NEXNF is the symbol for NEXE Innovations in America. NEXNF. And you can see that they've gone from $1.39 to a high of $3 and are currently sitting at $1.61. I love this story. Another tight float play and another plant-based materials company that's just getting started. I absolutely love this company, and you guys can find them on Rich TV Live. NEXE, NEXE, I believe, should be here. Oh, not yet. NEXNF. Oh, they don't even, it's so new. We still don't even got them yet. But let's take a look here. NEXE Innovations on bar chart. Let's see if bar chart has an opinion. Probably not, because they're still brand new. So bar chart takes some time to formulate an opinion. This is a brand new IPO, so no opinion yet. Literally no information yet on NEXE Innovations. We literally brought this to you guys first, and they just got their US symbol, NEXNF. NEXE Innovations, and let's look at the security details. Oh, they don't even got that here. So let's go here, TMX Money. I'm gonna go to TMX Money. NEXE, NEXE Innovations. And let's see here if they break down the share structure for us. I believe they will. Here it is. So a 134 million market cap. I believe that grows in 2021. 65 million shares issued and outstanding. So once again, a very tight float, very tight share structure, and that is vital to our trading philosophy for NEXE Innovations, and I believe they are going to be a screamer in 2021 and beyond. I believe they have a chance to be Very 2.0. Now remember, Rich TV Live is strictly for education and entertainment purposes. Always do your due diligence, always do your research before you invest in anything we talk about. If you like these videos, smash the like button, subscribe, and share the video everywhere so that other people can learn about these top 10 screaming picks for 2021. Now, this is a lot of these picks I've given everybody. Okay, so a lot of them are not new. Some of them are new. This is one of my top picks for 2020, and I was not wrong with GBTC. So I kept telling everybody when Bitcoin was down that it was a buying opportunity, kept telling everyone that GBTC was my number one Bitcoin play, told everybody that was listening, made all the videos when nobody was talking about GBTC, when nobody knew what GBTC was, when nobody cared what GBTC was. I was making videos about GBTC in 2020. And I was telling everybody they were my number one Bitcoin play. They were my number one Bitcoin play. They were my number one Bitcoin play. And kaboom! They were my number one Bitcoin play for 2020. Look, they went from $5 to $33 in 2020. And I believe the trend in Bitcoin will continue. It is an absolute rocket. It's becoming mainstream. More and more people are jumping into Bitcoin, pouring money into Bitcoin. And if this rocket continues, GBTC will continue to run. And if Bitcoin runs to 100,000, then expect that I know it sounds crazy, but it probably is going to happen at this point. If Bitcoin runs to 100,000, GBTC will be $100. So this has an opportunity to be an absolute rocket in 2021, just like it was in 2020. Now let's take a look at GBTC and what bar chart believes. Look at this. See, bar chart agrees. 100% buy on bar chart with the strongest short-term outlook on maintaining the current direction, which means it has ultimate momentum. Major big league momentum, 100% buy with the strongest short-term outlook on maintaining the current direction. Long-term indicators fully support a continuation of the trend. However, the market is approaching overbought territory. Be watchful of a trend reversal. I believe it goes higher tomorrow because the price of Bitcoin is up, okay? And if the price of Bitcoin goes up, I believe that this blockchain beauty, these guys own more Bitcoin than any other public company in the world. I believe they own somewhere in the neighborhood of like $15 billion worth of Bitcoin. Ridiculous amount, okay? Up 65% in the last month, 201% in the last 3 months, 538% since March of this year at $5 when I told you all they were a screaming buy. Rocket ship in 2021. I believe in 2020 it was a rocket, and I believe in 2021 it continues to be a rocket. And let's look at their share structure, shall we? GBTC is only in America and a OTCQX company. I don't know why they don't go to the NASDAQ. These guys should go to the NASDAQ, okay? So maybe they go to the NASDAQ in 2021, and you can see that their outstanding shares are 619 million outstanding shares, and the float has 252 million shares in the float with a 19 billion market cap. So this is just an absolute beast, and was my number one Bitcoin play in 2020. It's not my number one Bitcoin play in 2021, but it's going to be one of my top Bitcoin plays in 2021. You can book it. So that's my number 4 pick for 2021. Now in number 3, I don't even know if this company has a US symbol yet. I'm going to have to find out, but I love these guys, and they've been an absolute juggernaut. GLXY Digital Holdings. Unbelievable story for these guys. So these guys pretty much opened up at $1.57 in July and ran as high as $11.67. They bought $132 million worth of Bitcoin, and that $132 million of Bitcoin is now over $500 million. And I now bought a position in GLXY Digital last week, and I'm going to buy more. I really like this company. I love the holdings. They have over 16,000 Bitcoins. So as the price of Bitcoin continues to go higher, I get more bullish on Galaxy Digital, and you can see it's already up like 1,000%. So it's been a huge winner, massive, massive, massive winner. And my number one Bitcoin play for 2021 is Galaxy Digital Holdings. Look at this, bar chart agrees. A 100% buy with bar charts, with a strongest outlook on maintaining the current direction. Long-term indicators fully support a continuation of the trend. The market is in highly overbought territory. Beware of a trend reversal. So very big, strong buy on bar chart for Galaxy Digital. See if we can find it here on Rich TV Live. Galaxy Digital Holdings on the Toronto Stock Exchange. This is directly on the TSE. There it is. So there it is. And if you want to get an analyst opinion on Rich TV Live, you just clicked on analyst and you would get an analyst opinion on Galaxy Digital Holdings, and they've given it a moderate buy. So we have all of this information on richtvlive.com. We've really worked hard to build this website up, and it's really evolving and growing, and I believe it will continue to. Galaxy Digital is my number one, and you've probably never heard of it before because no one's ever talked about it, but they're probably going to start talking about it now, and I am a shareholder. It's my number one blockchain Bitcoin cryptocurrency play for 2021 because they've already made over $300 million in their investment in Bitcoin. And as long as Bitcoin keeps going up, I believe the price of Galaxy Digital Holdings should also go up. And I believe that we could see them, they've been a huge winner already. I believe there's a very good chance that they continue in this direction. My number two pick, I love this company. They've been one of my top picks for 2020 and for 2019. I told everybody that Tesla was a screamer. I told everybody that Tesla was a winner. I told everybody that Tesla was going to be one of the best plays for 2020. You can see I marked it here, okay, when it was down here. Before it ran up to 2,000, it was at 178. And I told everybody that I thought that Tesla could go to $1,000. Well, Tesla went to 2,000. Then it did a forward split, went back to 330, and now they're back up to 705. And I was telling everybody in our community after they did the forward split that I believe that they would go back to 1,000, and they've already gone back to 705. This company is just a juggernaut, okay? Elon Musk is a genius. Everybody loves Elon Musk. Everybody knows Elon Musk. Even my kids who are 12 and 13 respect and have love for Elon Musk. Kids and adults love Elon Musk. Everybody loves Elon Musk. So why not love Tesla? This is the company that has made everybody money because it's at all-time highs. It never goes down. So if you want to get into a company that is unstoppable, why not Tesla? If you want to invest in the best in 2021, why not Tesla? Tesla is absolutely unstoppable. Yes, it's $700 a share, but it's going to go higher. You can't stop Tesla. Nobody can stop Tesla. Tesla will continue to go higher. Nobody even knows where it's going to go, but it's going to go higher. So that's why I got to put them number 2 on my list, because they were in my top 10 list last year and they were just an unbelievable beast. So, and I was 100% correct putting them in my top 10 last year. Well, they're in my top 10 again this year. And we were right last year on them, and we're going to be right this year on them because they don't pretty much ever go down. I mean, look at their 5-year chart. When did they go down in the last 5 years? Like, this has been an absolute rocket ship, okay? Just look at the last year. Yeah, kind of a success. $100 to $700. Yeah, that's successful. The bar chart technical opinion rating is a 100% buy and ranks in the top 1% of all short-term signal directions. Long-term indicators fully support a continuation of the trend. They're my number 2 pick for 2021. I absolutely love Tesla. If you like Tesla and you believe that they become a winner in 2021, just like they were in 2020 and 2019 and every year before that, smash the like button, share the video, and comment on this pick. They're my number 2 pick in 2021. Hey, how you doing, Robert? Happy New Year, Robert. Happy New Year, everybody. I apologize. I haven't gone through your questions. I'm just trying to get through my list. And in number one, my number one pick for 2021, it was one of my top 10 picks. I believe it was my number one pick for 2020. And it's once again my top pick for 2021. I absolutely love Apple. Absolutely, positively love Apple. And so does bar chart, a 100% buy with an average short-term outlook on maintaining the current direction. I absolutely love Apple. They've been a huge winner. And now they're talking about getting into the vehicle space. They want to get into cars. Okay. Yeah, let's go. They see Tesla taking over the world and they're like, well, you know what? We want to get into cars. And look, the analysts agree. 25 analysts, 17 give them a strong buy, 3 give them a moderate buy, 5 give them a hold. I predict we see Apple at 200 in 2021. They're my number one pick because they are a juggernaut. They take care of their shareholders. And they already up in the last year, 149%. 23% in the last 3 months, 10% in the last month. This is what I would call a very safe play. I love Apple. And I think that as an investor, you're looking for security in your portfolio. And I actually think that this is a very safe play at $132. Could it go lower? Yeah, it could dip a little bit lower. But I believe that this is a $200 stock in 2021. So that's a lot of upside for a company that is one of the largest companies in the world, the largest market cap company in the world, and a company that when you're investing in Apple, you're investing in one of the top 10 companies in the world. So why not own Apple in your portfolio? So Apple is my number one pick for 2021. I love what they're doing. I love everything about them. You can go to richtvlive.com and click on analyst rating, and let's see what the analysts say for Apple. Let's see if they agree with the analysts on bar chart. Let's see. There it is, strong buy. So analysts got a strong buy here. Same thing. Look at this. 17 analysts have a strong buy. 3 have a moderate buy. 5 have a hold. So our analyst opinion is very similar with Apple on richtvlive.com as it is on bar chart. So you can see here where you look at their history. And we even have more details here where they are literally in their sector ranked the number one company in the world in their industry. Unbelievable. Apple is an unbelievable juggernaut. I love these guys. They're my number one pick for 2021. So let's run through this again. In number 1, Apple. In number 2, Tesla. In number 3, GLXY. Galaxy Digital Holdings. In number 4, GBTC. In number 5, Nexi Innovations, NEXE in Canada, NEXNF in America. In number 6, SHG, unbelievable, SHGFF in America. In number 7, TAT, Lifestyle and Wellness, TAAT, and in America, TOBAF. In number 8, Currency Works, CWRK, in Canada and the US, same symbol. In number 9, BUSXF in America. And in number 10, Tattooed Chef. I love this list. If you're not winning, you're not watching. It's your boy Rich from Rich TV Live. We've been bringing you winners and we've been bringing you first for years, and we'll continue to love this list. If you like this video, smash the like button, comment down below. Apple, my number one pick for 2021. I love these guys. I predict they're a $200 stock in 2021. And most likely even beyond. I mean, 250 wouldn't be a surprise. So imagine buying Apple at 132, and by this time next year, they're at 200, 250. I think you'd be happy. All right, guys. Happy New Year, everybody. Have a fantastic 2021. Look at this. Look at this rocket in the last year. Look at what Apple's done. From 53 all the way to 138, currently at 132. And I believe we see them go to 200 and maybe even higher in 2021. Thank you, guys. Have a great day. This is your boy Rich from Rich TV Live, and I'm out with my top 10 for 2021, and you can book it. Peace. We're not going to go out like that today, though. We're going to go out like this. because, you know, I got to give a shout out to my boy Smart Z for making this song. Absolutely love. This is our Bible. This is our anthem. And I'm just going to try to read some of your questions while we listen to the anthem.
Money never sleeps. Get your popcorn ready.
Yo, what's up, Santana? Good to see you, brother. Happy New Year, man.
Smart Z on the mic, yeah. We're gonna do it like this, y'all. Get up. You got money, bank rolls, join the gang and
Rub elbows.
We run a game and trade smart. That weight stock is a great start. Invest your money right in that good oil, in the cannabis.
Everyone's been saying that Tesla's been overvalued for years, but yet Tesla keeps going up. I follow the trend.
One time for your mind tonight. I say the stock goes up, now get your money right. I'm so cold with it. I know the cold really. You got some good money, put some gold in it.
Yeah.
Rich TV, homie, you know the place. Don't change the channel, you gonna
Lose your face.
I got that good
On the penny stocks.
I'm on YouTube making
Money rocks.
stocks, gold, oil, weed. I'm here to say, don't let your money sleep. Rich TV, life, stocks. I got the bigs to make your money work. Stocks, gold, oil, weed. I'm here to say, don't let your money sleep. Rich TV, life, stocks. I got the bigs to make your money work. Stack it up now, make your money work. And when you're slipping,
Your money's giving birth.
in the bull market, I'm a smart dog. I bring it up to you. Check your
Life stocks.
I'm that good guy. I set the record straight.
My trading club's here to elevate.
My cannabis stock is how the money smell. This is Rich TV Life, following my trail. I pick the right trade, gold, oil,
Weed, yes.
I turn a 2 into a 20
Like a bench press.
Take that flow, though. That's that 2020. They yelling Hail Mary. I'm making
Hella money.
stocks, gold, oil, weed. I'm here to say, don't let your money sleep. Rich TV, life, stocks. I got the bigs to make your money work. Stocks, gold, oil, weed. I'm here to say, don't let your money sleep. Rich TV, life, stocks. I got the bigs to make your money work. When the bears hit, the bulls fall back. That's right. Hit me one time.